Since I was kind of young, I wasn't really, well, 2 to 12, really doing anything cooking-wise, other little things for Grandma wise. But I used to watch her cook, obviously breakfast, lunch, and dinner. But I also watched her can, do laundry. I'll tell you how big the pantry is. In the pantry, she would get her laundry about 60 into the pantry. She had the ironing board out with an iron and would iron the clothes and stack it along with everything else that was in that pantry. She also would iron clothes in there. That's how huge it was. It was a huge pantry with lots of jars and everything that you could probably imagine. But one of her favorite things, because I did get to do something with her, was making corned beef hash and cranking by hand, pushing the meat down, making corned beef hash, and then she would preserve that, and we would obviously have eggs and corned beef hash in the morning for our breakfasts.